Need to send huge files through Gmail? Here's the easiest way to do it. On your PC, open any browser and go to Gmail. Click on Compose to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email address and a subject if you want. Then, click the Attach Files icon and select the file you want to send. If the file is larger than 25 megabytes, Gmail will automatically upload it to Google Drive. Once the file is uploaded, click on Send. You can adjust file permissions to control who can view or download the file. Finally, click on Send. If you want to send files from your mobile device, open the Google Drive app. Tap the plus button and select Upload File. Choose the file you want to upload and wait for the upload to complete. In the Uploads folder, tap the three dots next to the file and then select Share. Enter the recipient's email address and tap Send. Alternatively, you can also send Drive link from Gmail. Inside Gmail, tap on Compose and enter the recipient's email. Next, tap the attachment icon. From the list, select Drive. Then, choose My Drive and select the file you want to send. After that, send the email. Your large file will be sent using Google Drive link. And that's it. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.